Okay, to top up the heating system on your cylinder, we're going to take a look at this filling loop. There's a tap here and an isolation valve with this braided hose is the best way of finding it. We're going to look at the pressure gauge. As we can see there, it's on 0, so it's going to need topping up. It's this hose down here that we physically use to turn that on and to top it up. That, as you can see, is in the open position already, so all we need to do is turn this tap and we can hear the water physically start going into the system. Now, depending on how low it is depending how long you need to leave it on. But you can see the red indicator needles where you want to take the pressure up to. That black needle climbing slowly up to there wants to be between 1 and 1.5 bar. That's with perfect pressure in the system. So just keep an eye on the tap and on the pressure gauge, and when we're getting up to that red needle, we're turning it off. And that's as simple as it is, just to top the pressure up on the system. Now, that'll need to be done usually between every 6 and 12 months. We just need to keep an eye on that. And certainly if you start experiencing any air noises or noticing your heating system getting a little bit louder, that's one of the first things to check that the pressure's not at 0. So that all full, we'll turn that tap off, and I'll grab a screwdriver in a minute and turn that off as well. But you can see we're back up to pressure there. That's the filling loop and topping the heating. Okay, that's the other valve now switched off. We're as well turning both valves off because these are only a 1/4 turn valve, and if you ever leave it in such slightly the open position and have only turned one of them off, you have the potential of that black needle going up and the pressure going up higher than we want it to. So make sure both taps are switched off. A small screwdriver or flat edge knife will turn that one off okay, and a tap on this one to turn that off. So just make sure they're both turned off once you finish filling the pressure up.